Most people look at a pile of discarded trash and see a trip to the landfill. But with a bit of imagination, that exact same junk can become a $5,000 gallery-worthy abstract portrait. Welcome to Craft and Decor channel. Today, we are turning absolute garbage into high-end, luxury wall art. Look at how the light hits this shattered resin. Burning the scrap wood first gives it that deep, charcoal contrast. Don't throw away old wiring. Stripping the insulation leaves you with raw copper that builds incredible depth. Vintage vinyl is actually super easy to cut once you warm it up, creating these flawless cubist lines. Old clock gears carry so much history. Layering them like this gives the silhouette a real sense of motion. This is literally just shipping boxes. A coat of black gesso and some gold leaf completely changes the texture. Old leather belts are incredibly durable. Weaving them tightly creates a heavy, textured look that feels expensive. Sorting bottle caps by gradient takes patience, but melting them slightly fuses the colors together beautifully. Classic kintsugi technique is used to fill the broken ceramic cracks with a rich bronze epoxy resin. Clean your old bicycle chains in mineral spirits first. Once they're polished, they shape into perfect fluid lines. Backlighting these old glass slides creates a gorgeous, stained glass effect that instantly pulls you into the room. Even basic hardware like washers can look high-end if you keep the background clean and minimalist. Copper plumbing pipes naturally oxidize over time, giving the profile a beautiful, living patina. Green motherboards have these incredible micro-patterns that look just like intricate digital mapping when layered. If you cut up aluminum cans and flip them over, the raw silver reverse side looks just like expensive leafing. Old Ethernet cables are perfect for this. The internal twisted wires add a ton of subtle, vibrant detail. Peeling away layered vintage wallpaper gives you these amazing, deckled edges and nostalgic color palettes. Charring the tips of wooden matches at different levels creates a perfect, natural grayscale shading effect. Unweaving old wicker baskets gives you flexible, organic strips that are perfect for sculpting fluid facial contours. Antique keys carry a lot of weight, both literally and visually, making the features feel deeply grounded. Sheet metal scraps rust differently depending on the weather, giving you completely unique, organic orange tones. Typewriter keys already look like little mosaic tiles, so arranging them into facial features felt completely natural. Industrial wire mesh is great for creating soft, transparent shadows that mimic real human sketching. Curving old metal blinds gives you these crisp, geometric lines that look like a modern architectural blueprint. Broken headlamps shatter into these amazing geometric shards that bounce light across the room beautifully. Spark plugs and gaskets give the jawline a sharp, mechanical edge that balances out the soft wood frame. Old measuring tapes add a really cool graphic element with all the tiny numbers and bright yellow contrast. Compressing chain link fencing requires some heavy tools, but the resulting texture is incredibly powerful. Thousands of basic staples driven close together end up looking like a fine, shimmering metallic fabric. Brass cabinet hardware adds instant warmth. Mixing the different tarnished finishes gives the face real character. CR10 steel continues to change color over the years, meaning this piece will literally evolve on your wall. Safety pins are incredibly flexible for stitching together abstract shapes without needing any heavy glue. Industrial rubber belts have this matte, rugged texture that contrasts beautifully against bright copper rivets. Bending wire coat hangers into a single continuous line keeps the silhouette looking incredibly sleek and modern. Mixing fine sawdust with tinted resin creates a dense, faux stone texture that's incredibly satisfying to carve. Slicing wine corks at different thicknesses lets you build up a subtle, three-dimensional relief pattern. Unraveling heavy hemp rope gives you this wild, organic fiber look that softens the rigid frame borders. Broken skateboards are a goldmine for color, since the internal maple plies are dyed bright, vibrant hues. Grouping thousands of tiny wooden toothpicks together creates a texture that looks exactly like fine wood grain. Fallen tree bark has a rugged, natural texture that gives the profile an earthy, brutalist aesthetic. Old wooden yardsticks bring in these beautiful, aged yellow tones and vintage typography that tell a story. Layering tattered burlap sacks adds a rich, tactile warmth that instantly coziers up a modern white wall. Sea glass has already been tumbled smooth by the ocean, so it catches the light without any sharp edges. Scraps from an old leather jacket give the piece a premium, supple texture that smells amazing, too. Salvaged crown molding fragments are perfect for creating a classic, dimensional frame within a frame look. Polishing just the inside of coconut shells creates a brilliant contrast against their rough, fibrous exterior. Old corrugated fiberglass panels diffuse light beautifully, giving the profile a soft, misty background glow. Compressing colorful fabric lint from the dryer results in a soft, felt-like canvas that absorbs light beautifully. Disassembling wooden clothes pegs lets you play with repetitive geometric patterns that look incredibly intentional. Puzzling together broken terracotta pots with raw mortar gives the piece a beautiful, ancient fresco feel. Paint stir sticks are usually free, and staining them in different tones makes for an amazing geometric mosaic. Slicing cardboard shipping tubes into rings gives you a lightweight, cellular structure that looks incredibly complex. Tattered sailboat canvas has this beautiful, weather-beaten stiffness that holds its shape perfectly when layered. Crushed pine cones and wood shavings create a rich, hyper-textured surface that brings the outdoors inside. Shredding old plastic cards creates a chaotic, colorful mosaic that comments on our modern consumer culture. Grouping clean, upcycled straws together creates a fascinating optical illusion when you walk past the piece. The reflective backing of old CDs splits light into a brilliant, rainbow spectrum that brightens dark rooms. Unspooling old VHS tapes gives you these glossy, pitch-black ribbons that catch the light like liquid silk. Sorting vintage buttons by size lets you build up facial features with a charming, tactile rhythm. The skeletal metal frames of broken umbrellas are perfect for mapping out sharp, minimalist facial structures. Rolling old magazine pages into tight tubes creates a sturdy, incredibly colorful barcode effect across the canvas. Layering old eyeglass lenses creates these fascinating pockets of distortion that change depending on your angle. Heavy metal zippers add a sharp, industrial line that breaks up the softer fabric textures underneath. Vintage postage stamps bring in an incredible amount of tiny detail and historical color to the background. Guitar strings are under immense tension, but weaving them loosely creates a beautifully delicate, fluid silhouette. Plastic bread tags are usually useless, but color coordinating thousands of them creates a stunning pixel art effect. Torn architectural blueprints offer a gorgeous, deep blue backdrop with subtle white technical lines showing through. Using worn-out paintbrushes so the stiff bristles form the actual hair of the portrait feels incredibly poetic. Old brass bottle openers have a wonderful, heavy weight that anchors the central features of the face. Unlit neon tubes have a sleek, minimalist glass curves that look incredibly high-end against dark velvet. Arranging colorful toothbrushes in a flowing wave pattern completely masks what the material actually is. Tangled sewing threads mimic the look of fine, chaotic pencil sketches when layered over white canvas. Painting the inside of bubble wrap squares creates a fascinating, modern pixelated look that feels very avant-garde. Old X-ray films have a moody, translucent gray quality that looks spectacular when backlit with LEDs. Old skateboard wheels and bearings add a chunky, industrial element that makes the portrait feel incredibly solid. Using old keyboard keys lets you subtly hide secret messages and words throughout the portrait's features. Tearing apart canvas shoes gives you a wonderful mix of rugged stitching, eyelets, and raw fabric textures. Bringing all these elements together proves that true luxury isn't about the cost, it's completely about the vision. Which of these upcycled abstract portraits would you hang in your living room? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more high-end DIY transformations. See you in the next project.